So it's the start of the second day. We've got our students onto the site, and what we have is we have a large building to the left, we have a tower to the right that the students can inspect, and we also have a large plant and a very large chimney that's about 100 metres high that the students will take a look at later on today.
The two-day course has been focusing on how to do industrial surveys. The purpose of the course is to introduce us students into the complexities and the methods of accurately and efficiently surveying a site.
I've learnt a lot about structural inspection work, so thorough planning is important, I learned that, and organising your media in a manner that you know which part of the building it all relates to. So when it comes to the client, output for the client, it makes more sense.
The course has given me a good appreciation in terms of coming onto an industrial site like this one. The risk assessments that you have to consider in terms of the size of the structures and the chimney, it's not just looking at it and taking photographs, you've got to consider an actual flight plan. You know the risks around you, you know your actual environment, what could happen around you. In terms of the content of the course has been excellent. Andrew has taken us through different structures and how to survey these structures and look at them in a way where we can collect the data effectively and feed this information back to a client in a report format that is understandable for ourselves and the person who we're going to pass it over to.
Well, what we've gained from this is some experience as to how difficult the task might be, the hazards that are presented, and the methodology by which to approach the work.
It's going to give me a lot more confidence to go out in the real world and actually plan and execute these sort of operations now.
The main experience I've gained from today, which I would rather it happen in a training environment as opposed to out with a client, is some of the technical issues you can have with your drone. I had an issue with the camera, and it just made me think again maybe of the other equipment I would need to back up whilst being on a job such as this one. So it does allow you to think more out of the box in terms of other equipment you would need as well. In terms of the course, I would definitely recommend it. Andrew's been brilliant. Yeah, it's great for anybody who wants to learn more about inspection with drones.